Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to copy paste data from one workbook to another workbook. It's actually very simple two-liner code. You just need to make sure that both workbooks are open. On my screen now, you have two workbooks open. The first one is VBA Training. The second one is named as Book 1. Both have the worksheet named Sheet 1. So from here, I'm going to copy data and paste it here, right? So let's look at the VB editor also. I have it open and already have the code just to save the time. I'll also copy paste this code in my video description so you can use it in your project. So as you can see, I'm starting with workbooks and I have given the name of the workbook from where I want to copy, then dot worksheets, and I have given the sheet name, right? After that dot range which I want to copy. So here I'm planning to copy B5 to D15. So that's what I have written here. And after that you have to write dot copy. Similarly, when we want to paste, we have to specify which workbook we want to paste. So I have mentioned book 1 and you also have to mention extension at both the places. So this training file which I'm using every day has .xlsm because I'm saving macros in that. But this file is the temporary, so I have saved it as a normal Excel file, right? And after that, I have to write dot worksheets and the sheet name, right? And then we will again mention the range where we want to paste. So I haven't mentioned the full range as you would have noticed, not B5 to D15. I've just written B5 because that's where I want my range to start. Okay, and the Excel will automatically take the range. And then I'm specifying how I want to paste. So I've used PasteSpecial and then paste values because I don't want to use paste formulas or formats anything because I already have the format here. So let's run this code. I'll press F8. Right. So as you can see now, the data has copied from VBA training file to book 1. Right. Similarly, if you have any of your projects where you want to use, copy paste in different workbooks, you can use this code. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll keep sharing more such videos, so requesting you all to subscribe to my channel to keep getting latest updates. You can also share it with your friends and colleagues and family members so they can also learn all these wonderful tricks about VBA. Thank you very much.